Now next up on floor attachments are squeegees. You can get them in different sizes. You can get them nice and short, which is good for a table like this. If you've got really big floors, you can get really big squeegees, and I think you can even go up larger than that. They've got this single blade molded design, which is flexible, works really well, but obviously is not replaceable. You have to replace the whole head. So they came up with this design too, which has two blades, and the two blades catch water better, so it's a better squeegee. Also, this has a replaceable cartridge, and then they also have this style here, softer, more foam-like, and it's intended for tile floors or grout type situations. So this might work well on a little bit rougher concrete too. It's a softer material, so it's probably not gonna last as long. You can just get new foam for it.